Hey you're welcome to this tutorial, and today's video will be about measuring tape reading. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you the most accurate way to read your measuring tape, and if you can watch this video to the very end, I can guarantee you that this will be the best measuring tape reading video you will see on the internet today, because I won't only be showing you how to read the measuring tape, I'll be showing you the difference between the 1/8 measuring tape and the 1/16 measuring tape. If that sounds like what you want to learn, kindly watch this video to the end and let's get to it. So like I already said, I'll be showing you how to read these whole numbers and all these tiny lines in between, what they are called, how to use them, and when to use them. So I'm going to go ahead to remove this meter head so that you can see that whatever you have from here to here is just the same. I'm done doing that, and then what we have from here is just the starting point. Whatever you see here is just the same thing as this line, this line, this line, this line, all the way to the end of this measuring tape. But then this particular one from here to here is half an inch. Then from here to here is also half an inch. So when you plus it together, that's when you see from here to here 1 inch. Measure 1 inch, then you're going to place your measuring tape from this end on the edge of your fabric or anywhere you want to measure to this point, and that's 1 inch. So from here to here half, from here to here half, from here to here 1 inch. Then this one here, this particular line is called 0. So this is 0. Then this one is 0.125. 0.125. This one 0.25. This one 0.25. 0, 0.125, 0.25. So measure 0.25, you measure from here, you place your measuring tape this way and measure all the way to this point, and then you mark at this point. Then this third one is 0.375. This one 0.5, 0.5. This one 0.625, 0.625. This one 0.75, 0.75. This one 0.875, and then this one is 1 inch. Okay, so you see these two, you see from here to here is 0.25. Then sometimes because of this metallic head, this cover, most time we try not to measure from the, like, count from the tip of the measuring tape. So if you want to measure 0.25, you can also place your measuring tape like this on where you want to measure, like from the starting point of where you want to measure, and then you measure up to this point. It's also 0.25. Okay, so from something like this to, you count 1 2, that's 0.25, right? So let's go again. This one is 0, this one is 0.125, 0.25, 0.375, 0.5, 0.625, 0.75, 0.875. This is 1 inch. But then again, most people do not know it as this 0.125 something. They know it as um 1/8 as it is. This particular measuring tape is 1/8 measuring tape. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's 8, right? So this particular measuring tape this way is 1/8. We have the 1/16 measuring tape, even though it's hard to find, but then we have the 1/16 measuring tape. So some people know this as 0, this one 1/8, this one 2/8, this one as 3/8, this one as 4/8. So anytime you hear measure 4/8, it's basically half inch. So half inch, or from here to here, is 4/8. So this one is 4/8, this one is 5/8, this one is 6/8, this one is 7/8, and this one is 8/8. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. Can you see that? So either you know it as 0, 0.125, 0.25, 0.375, 0.5, 0.625, 0.75, 0.875, 1 inch. Or you know it as 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8, or 1 inch. The most important thing is to know um which one is which one and when to use them. Okay, so from here to here is 1 inch, from here to here is 1 inch, from here to here is half an inch, from here to here is half an inch, from here to here is 1 inch. Then when you plus it together, that's when you see 3 inches. So from here to here is 3 inches, from here to here is 3 inches, here to here 2 inches, from here to here 4 inches, and that's how you go about it. But then I know you know that we have quarter of an inch and 3/4 of an inch. So which of these parts is the quarter and the 3/4? So going by the 1/8, this one is 0, this one is the 1/8, this one is 1/4. And 1/4 is the symbol of what? Quarter, right? So 1/4 is the symbol of quarter. We know 1/4 as quarter, right? So this one from here to here is quarter. From here to here is quarter of an inch. From here to here is 3/8, right? This is 3/8. And then from here to here is 1/2. This one is 1/2. This particular one is 1/2. And 1/2 is what? Half. So here is half, or 1/2, or half an inch, right? Then this one is what? 5/8. This one is 5/8. This one is 5/8. Then this one is 3/4. This one is 3/4. When you see 3/4, what does that mean? 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch. So from this end to this end is 3/4 of an inch. Whenever you hear measure 3/4 of an inch, it basically means measure from this end to this end. Okay? From this end to this point is 3/4 of an inch. 3/4. This one is quarter. This one is 3/4. And then this one is what? 7/8. And this one is 1 inch. Okay? Your turn. So this one is what? This one, this, this, this one, this one, this, and this. And then you tell me in the comments which one you prefer, either going by 0.125 or 1/8. Which one is your preference? Now let's look at the, like I said, this measuring tape is the 1/8 measuring tape. We have the 1/16. And like I said in the beginning of this video, if you can get the 1/16 measuring tape, hold it tight, because it's really rare to find. And trust me, it's more durable than this one. That one can last longer than this, but it's still the same thing. I actually wish I have that. If I have the 1/16, you will still see that from here to here is still the same. It's not like that one is longer or shorter or something like that. But there are times when you will need to, you know, measure something that is just in between this line here, and that's when you will need that 1/16. First, let's look at the diagram of this 1/8. I have a diagram here. This one is the 1/8. Let me zoom. Okay, so this one is the 1/8 tape reading, right? Measuring tape reading. This one is the 1/8. If you look at it very well, you see that it's just what I have on the measuring tape. From this end to this end is what I have here, or from this end to this end is just what I have from this end to this end. So this particular one, like we said before, is 0, right? Then this one is this one. This one right here is this one. No, this one. Then this particular one is this third one. This one is this one. This one is this one. And this one is what? This one, this one, this, and this one. Then we say that this one is 0. This one, this one here, this one is either you know it as 0.125 or you know it as 1/8. Okay, then this one is 0.25 or 2/8. And this one, this 0.25 is also 1/4. the quarter of an inch, right? Then we have the 0.375 or 38. It's still the same 38, right? Then we have this one. This particular one is 0.5, 0.5 or 1 over 2, which is 1 over 2, which is half an inch or 4/8, right? Then we have this one 0.625 or 5/8. And then we have this at 0.75 or 3 over 4, 3/4 of an inch or 6/8. We have this as 0.875 or 7/8. And then we have the 1 inch, which is the 8 over 8, right? Enough of this. Let's look at the diagram of the 1 over 16. If I have the measuring tape, it's just going to be exactly what I have here. This one right here is the 1 over 16 measuring tape. Had it been I have the measuring tape right here, you would see that whatever I have from this end to this end is just the same on that measuring tape. But I don't have it, but I used to have it. And that's how I know about this. Then I was actually thinking that this one is the best, like superior to that one. Unknown to me that that one is actually how the measuring tape used to be before the word of no stress. Okay, so whatever I have from this end to this end is just whatever I have on this measuring tape from this end to this end, right? So this one is 0 and then this one is 0. Then in between the 0 and the 0.125, we have 0.0625, which is 1 over 16. Okay, then we now have this line, this point here, which is 0.125, 2 over 16. Then in between the 0.125, we have 0.1875. And then we have 0.25, which you're already familiar with, right? Then we have 0.3125. We have 0.375. Then we have the 0.4375. And then we have the zero point 0.5. Here we have 0.5625 and we have 0.625 here, 0.6875, 0.6875. Then we have 0.75. We have 0.8125. Then we have 0.875. And here we have 0.9375 and the 1 inch. Okay, so that's it. When you count, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and the 16. That's the 16 over 16, the 1 over 16 measuring tape. Okay, so if you can get this, trust me, it's a whole lot easier because, like I was trying to explain, there are times you will need to measure something that is not up to like 0.125, but in between. And then for you to have it accurate, that's when where this measuring tape, the 1 over 16, comes to play because you have it. The measurement to fall will show you where it is, like the middle of this, exactly where it is, instead of you trying to like wrap your head around it. So that basically it, but it's not confusing. Just that this one has plenty numbers, but it's very simple. This one is everywhere, and that's why it's so simple to like master or go about it. Okay, so let me know in the comments which of these is your favorite, whether the 0.125 or the 1/8 part, or the 1 over 16. If you'll be looking forward to have this if you don't already have it. And this will be the end of our tutorial today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you on my next one. Be good. Bye.